Hello, African Professor on Filter Platform. No bus, no, but moderate subscribe, share, subscribe, na hit notification bell. Anytime be a making new video, be bad. Next is on community. One more time, we African Professor One Unfiltered. My most person, my chief linguist, African Professor on the castle. But moderate subscribe, share, hit notification bell. Anytime be a making video for 2 hours. On Saturday can be now. Join African Professor One from the name in a movie conversation together because I have a lot to say over here. And yet the attempt and it's unfiltered. Sadi Hano City and Tina Nidino is unfiltered, yeah, Sonny Bibiaso and Ukraine the Dow, yeah, filtered Bibia, and I say in the attempt, but in Ukraine, no matter what, say inconvenient truth cry now, we got to talk about it. So political correctness, no, yeah, not Dawson, Tino. But my dad subscribe, share, and hit notification, and then come up with dinner. If a video be a me, yeah, my 2 miss, if a video be a me, yeah, bear 1 month ago, Bible Sweeney. Nah, but to the missus said, Monsieur, if Asantes are nobody, Omunya nobody, so Munya Hria, Omuchum Yobia, now they did be uncle for a casaform. And Asante for I say, and Asante for you say, Uma say, no much no me say, and Nipano here. Say, so be casafo be one. I say, Nipano here, I said, here, what do you talk about, Nipano? So, me so here me, nam cut you off. Maybe be anywhere we are, me don't yame, and create anywhere. So, I'm life here. And you know, so me, I don't know about everybody, but what's in the panel, me and nobody. Then why do you talk about it? And you know, Obia say Ghana, everybody knows. Some kind of cry. We say no cry board in Ghana. Some kind of cry. Ghana say, eh. So episode go viral. Quick, nya fame, instant fame. Unfortunately, say, you know, say in a dubious fame be up so you attack Asantes. The woman the enemy, you know, you just say about them. Distort to history, any facts, near the day, and it can cancel my open near the idea. That's how you go viral. The attempt near the That's how the over also can say, Asante for Mumu, Asante for fish, someone Quasiafa, Asante for fish. That's it. Who can I, Omuaya, he needs to be a true and no crans on that, you know. Wouldn't say, she can't Ghana, tribes is free, and what Ghana in she sending the other way for you, Omuya, say, highly tribalistic to least tribalistic. Asante will be the last. God knows him. You don't yami yankopi was yankopo hatas to win him because of your Ghana, all Ghana say regions ningina capitals ningina. Me person who say region bear na bakwa. All kind of ethnic groups ningina be almost be wo ewo sa region the capital. Kumasin kwa Mozinzongo Sawaba. Ababu number 1, Ababu number 2, Akwatia Lai, bitches Mozinzongo, Babia Bekubia, song, Alaba, Babia Bekubia, Zongo, Babia Bekubia, Asante, Ubinya, he said, Asante region, Abe, Ubinya Sadino. And so still, a dear Kwana Asante for and Asante for because that's the only way you for and this is they use Asante as a canon for as a punching bag and Asante for it to say Asante for and yes now for 2 about more. So that's how they do. You do all that you have to do is say something negative about Asante for and that's it. That's how you get fame. That's how you get votes. And think about Umia, I'm going because one way you know, nothing region, even though say we Muslim the Krobos Muslim for no bebre omu majority omu tutian because of the lies NDC omu come up with say MPP the Ottoman omu Asante party you somehow they frame Baumia say Asante for just using Baumia until at the end of the day no omu yine fro no de na pasha ho. That's how they put into these Muslims head and they not near that day, which is a lie, bold-faced lie, but that's how they do. And it's all person who win it, politics and I say power. And I say go viral. All that you have to do is to come with a dubious, be against negative stuff, be narrative, be Asante for that's it. And you know, make a way you say, me obi a comment on video I me about 1 month ago. Now, in the course of the video, no, and nipa no was your friend of Purple Chameleon. No, was Onya Santini, but somehow no or your project be, and so community project be, or Asante region. One name towns now Kokoko, but you say, yeah, be a or you know, no say, ne experience in Asante region, no man who say, when you're Santini, but who's Asante for the, or me a list tribalistic, and semwa. Boa but he was honest. Anybody was honest. I don't know so a bad answer but she or he was honest. Say, Asante for boa who say on trauma who say who chill so unya Asante to boa based on his experience. They will say, "Bia, every now and then you get some of them, one or two of them will say make some unguided utterances, be provocative utterances, be near that, but still on the same time never say Bia." Ombe di bibi se ombe bua na se omno be obetit just same kophobia ha cancer ombe cancer bia e bia in the way the bia be offended on near that, but in a way they don't even mean it, like they just talk kasa binum kasa but because we see community project now it will be man apartment, nice apartment, so one time free just because you might want free Asante papa man baby try. So I remember instances there at the other. It was no someone or no as comment no make and feedback on make on video I me making about 1 month ago. No. Another topic na person make was on now. Me continue dialect verbatim and I say word for word was say some Asante towns have more Krobos, guns, airways and infantis than even Asantes. Tini you. Nipa no was your friend Purple Chameleon. I'm say na yi di no. Either say the Facebook name and I say na yi no. The handle no, I don't know what it is, but we did say was it Purple Chameleon, meaning so your bar and answer bema, but Purple dear. You know sometimes it sounded like Purple dear, the best sounded like Oba, but anyway, but was it some Asante towns have more Krobos, guns, airways, and infanti than even Asantes. Now, nipa oka say, a way direct koto or commenting on video I'm making by 1 month ago. And will make it a comment. It is a topic in our video, the topic in some Asante towns have more Krobos, guns, airways, and infanti than even Asante. The Kroben and will say, Kroben and Abakosuo, Ghana ha, Ubakono. Sibi abeko Angora town bi, Angora voter region town bi, and I said northern region, and I said Infante Cape Coast town bi na abeko no. De bi anka ehɔ no, ebi abeko no, Infante fukura ehɔ ni sha na majority ye manfra from Kwan go. How many towns? And yet common only in Asante region, especially Kumasi, the capital of Asante, and Abekusha, Fantinuta, Mozinzongo, Alaba, Akotiala, your friend say, Abu number 1, Abu number 2, Sawaba, and it's just about Bia, Bekubia, Zongo, then, Ubekube Bia, Manfra, Bia, and that is how Asante region is just like a melting pot. Obiabi is a collection of different ethnic, multi-ethnic grouping. That's why we have been living with them for a long time. The dear Kwan, I feel Ubia said, Santifo say, me say, Obi commented on my video about 1 month ago. Nipa me a video 1 month ago. Nipa be and I said 3 days ago. And Nipa make it cause see a friend of Purple Chameleon. The topic of that video 1 month ago, me say if Asantes are nobodies, then why do people keep on talking about them? Use them for fame. Use them to go viral on the social media. Nipa no omu here, omu ye nobody, omu kira omu, omu fi say dear, omu kind of clear, omu twist history, dear, and some bebre. But still, people keep on talking about them. Even musicians, no be cry, omu career go down. They come in with some Asante and then they just pick up, come back up. That's a fact. So, enti sani pano, as more can say some Asante towns have more Krobos, guns, airways, infantis, and other tribes than even Asantes. And that's a fact. Kobe bia no Asante for omo boanipa. Omba boas is here, but those who binyas and Makumaku be to say any other to Binya Makumaku be can simbi. I just say a son is so offensive near that, but that doesn't reflect all the Sana Sanfu dream. And I say, but unfortunately, Sana, a lot of this disgruntled, a friend said, YouTubers, no need them, but there may be Sankofa, bloggers, me, or you see Asante as a punching bag because that's how they give views. Idea so can if Mahaman no yebi, NDC phone, you so MPP they say Asante for party, na ba umi akra o ma twusu ni say The entire tio, the antiqua and Cremophone, Muslim phone is on phone baby, a tutti about me, and no, northern region show her. Oma gum when massipa this, and I'm because only traitors, only a seller, respect and I'm the mom, baby, no a quap, because when him, Oma trauma, NDC for the la two, Mutim say, MPP Asante party. And then about me a crana. Omo choose to say, or flag bearer of MPP no. Omo use to continue my head daddy Asantini, Atana Chie Napo. And you know, Omunya power, Omefa Komisho yi ba umi friend na pa be president. We said like na ba umi awe preko. That's what they were saying. Omo use Asante for time. And so the whole Ghana. Omo tribal ye list tribalistic. Nyankopon hata su Allah. Susu ni mkremofo no mugi Allah di no. Munim say Nyankopon hata su ni say nkremofo asantefo a list tribalistic in Ghana. That's a fact, that's for sure. Samebo amunko kumase na mkowe. Na mu Kumasi and compare other capital cities no and our towns no in Ghana near baby other ethnic groups and I say tribal groups no our Ghana more than as Kumasi. The evidence is there. And so Benyankophobia and Asante say Asante perfect just like everybody else. Asante say just like but ye kasi omo tolerate other tribes near trouble be anywhere Ghana and come close to Asante. That's for sure. That's a fact. And so Uncle Fuya and Americans say they speak from both sides of their mouth. On one hand, they say this, and the next breath, they say another thing. There's Uncle Fuya and Binum Somi and Krema for Omoko mosque, Ekoye Salah, Ekoye Allah, pray to Allah. A Binum Somi Christian, Omoko, Ekoye fasting near that, and so some contompo. They say, Obi a comment on video I made 1 month ago, and I may use now in the comment to make a resist very, very valid point about the true, the Asante, almost empty towards tribalism, and I say tribal concept. And I say some Asante towns, based on our was on Asante, we say some Asante towns have more Krobos, guns, airways, and Fantes than even Asante. Na nipa no want to say where dedicated because comment to church comment be and also no year community project be a Asante region. Now because of that, obi Asante ni penny be a man apartment on term free. So I just say it be a government that didn't call and I say you are specifying as well explaining, but you say what you depend comment that. Miss me make it comment a month ago, the topic is up. Wow, was you see if Asantes are nobodies, why do people still keep on talking about them? So video me making 1 month ago, no need I don't make it comment by 1 day ago, just a day, but less than a day or whatever ago. And I'm going to say a very, very, interesting point. And I'm passing comment on it. Me quoting dialect, and I'm going to say some Asante towns have more Krobos guns. They're not correct guns, airways, and Fantes than even Ashantis. Now me say tribe Ben, and I say region Ben, and the Ghana besides Kumasi, and I say Ashanti region, or more tolerate other tribes than Ashanti region. Now if your time baby Ben say Huna Makafa Ashanti phone if you and I make say kukru ni ejaya kika be jai. Me I don't believe in tribalism. I'm proud of it. Me ma omunya Ashanti phone. And I be what Ghana crano. Na 77 ebia maybe an asoma phobia be a no kono. Never no munya Asante phone. Which is no sure say. But me no me in nipa nyina baako pe utwa me ho amogya woni ya so free wo ye frafra wo ye krobo wo ye de wo ye nyina etwa ho amogya ye nipa baako enti ya munya other trouble mu susu kan ma sabe mu susu munya Asantefo mu susu kan na so ma kan ye ni bre tan hunu because nipa no Yakopon hwe akomam o hwe ni so Yakopon nim say Asantefo bebre Asantefo majority of Asantes they are very, very tolerant people. And that's what it is. Until I was say, until Asante people, God will bless them like that. That is why God keep on blessing them. And that's fine. That's a fact. Until come up and say, some Asante towns have more Krobos, guns, airways, and Infantes than even Asante. So be the kind you will be commenting on video on Asante. Until I can provide that what he or she has noticed. Why, all your as community developer in Ashanti region. on the Mickey and America. What's your friend, Purple Chameleon? And one more time, we as African Professor One, subscribe, share with friends and family, and I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.